Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. EIA report on Mopa says airport site a habitat for more than 400 species, but Pernem not eco-sensitive zone. Public hearings to follow. Prudent exclusive. Government decides to renew 13 leases by Thursday. 8 leases renewal process begins from Monday. MMRD Act violating leases may be delayed. Enforcement Directorate grills Radha Timlo for second time for 5 hours in black money case. Uge and locals allege a mines company of lifting ore illegally. Thousands of devotees reach Old Goa for St. Francis Xavier Feast. Novenas, special mass, stalls all set for Goincha Saibache Fest on Wednesday. And squash player Yash Fatte and badminton star Anura Prabhudesai bag Gino Sports Awards. Sports Journalist of Goa's award ceremony on Friday. Now the news in detail. Mopa airport site is the habitat of various major species. Environment Impact Assessment Report mentions more than 400 species of various plants, birds and animals, but the report states Pernem Taluka is not an eco-sensitive zone. Prudent has assessed the copy of draft EIA report of the Greenfield International Airport. Report says only 14 houses will be displaced. State Pollution Control Board will conduct public hearing in the concerned areas. Report on the hearings will be sent to the MOEF.
Prudent has accessed Environment Impact Assessment Report of proposed Greenfield International Airport at Mopa. Engineers India Limited has started preparing the EIA of Mopa Greenfield Airport in collaboration with EMTRC Lab Ghaziabad in 2011. EIA was conducted on a study area of 10 km land within the radius proposed airport site. The survey has found that there are 385 species of plants belonging to 88 plant families, 86 bird species, 33 butterfly species, 5 amphibian species, 12 reptile species, 11 mammal species in the study area. The present proposed airport site is falling under the Pernem Taluka, but EIA report says Pernem Taluka has not been included in the ecologically sensitive areas submitted by the high-level working group. EIA report suggests that development of peripheral green belt is needed as particulate matters, carbon monoxide, sulfide and nitrogen oxide will be generated from aircrafts when airport will be functional. During first phase of the airport, 1.2 MLD water required will be sourced from Tirari irrigation canal. The need for water may rise up to 6 MLD by 2045. The EIA report will be placed before public for hearings. The Goa State Pollution Control Board will conduct the hearing at concerned panchayats, Zilla Panchayats, District and Collector's Office. Public hearing will be video recorded. Later, board will compile the report and it will be sent to the MOEF. With Bureau Inputs, reporter Mahesh Gadi and video journalist Dinesh Karape for Prudent.
Government will sign mining lease deeds with the companies on Thursday. Ban on mining operations will automatically get revoked once these leases are signed. Only 21 out of 28 leases will be renewed in the first phase. All 28 leases have already paid their stamp duty. Sources claim that till now renewal order of 13 leases has been issued. Renewal process of another 8 leases has begun from Monday. 7 leases which had violated MMRD Act will face tough time for renewal. Majority of these leases are by Seza Goa.
Looks like blanket ban which was imposed on state mining is likely to be lifted on Thursday. Government has decided to renew 13 leases on Thursday, which had earlier paid stamp duty. Altogether, 28 leases had paid stamp duty. Once the deed is signed, blanket ban on state mining will be revoked automatically. Mines Department has decided to renew another 8 leases and the procedure for the same has begun from Monday, which means by December end, 21 leases will be through after renewal. The 8 leases which are freshly considered are Seza Goa 3 leases, Fomento 3 leases, VM Sargaonkar and Brothers 4 leases, Saugule and Company 4 leases, लिथो फेर्रो, गीता बाला मनोहर परुळेकर, कुंदा घारसे, GN Agarwal, Bandekar brothers, Madhache Bhatt, Rajaram Bandekar 1 lease each. Out of 20 leases, process of renewing 21 leases has begun. Remaining 7 leases which might get delayed, they are Dempo 5 leases, Rajesh Timlo 1 lease, Cosme Costa and Sons 1 lease. Meanwhile, Mines Department has made a surprising move by deciding to reinstate suspended officers Baban Gaonkar and Antonio Lopish. Both were suspended in illegal mining case. Sources claim that department is planning to recall more such suspended officers. Reporter Mahesh Gadi for Prudent.
Enforcement Directorate once again grilled Radha Timlo on Tuesday for 5 hours in the alleged black money case. She has submitted certain financial documents pertaining to her company. She has asked for a week's time to submit more details. ED has granted her the time. Meanwhile, locals at Uge have alleged that her mining firm is indulged in illegally lifting of auction iron ore without issuing transit passes.
Radha Timlo was summoned at Enforcement Department for the second time. She was earlier interrogated for 7 hours on 18 November after her name figured in the list of alleged black money holders. On Tuesday, ED quizzed Radha Timlo for 5 hours. Radha Timlo submitted financial documents as asked by the ED. She has asked for a week's time to submit remaining documents. ED has granted her 1 week. Enforcement Directorate has summoned Director of Omega Natural Resources Private Limited from Moradabad, Uttar Pradesh for interrogation. Meanwhile, locals at Uge have alleged that a mining firm is illegally lifting auctioned ore without issuing transit passes to the trucks. They are also upset as Mines Department is not replying to their RTI queries regarding this mine.
Mine Department Mine Department Director, Assistant Director, तुमको नाक जालो ट्रांसपोर्ट बंद करता म्हणतो डायरेक्टर जेन्ना ते कसो ट्रांसपोर्ट पास नासतना ते माल वखताय आनी ते ट्रांसपोर्ट मागपा लागून हांव गेल्लो म्हाका ते 2 वर थिंग बसून दवरलो आनी म्हाका ते ट्रांसपोर्ट पास दिवंकू नाय हांव RTI मागली म्हाका एक अजून बसून दिलो नाय जेन्ना पुलीस कंप्लेन केलें अजून पुलिसीन एक दीस पासून आपण वयलो ना आतां कंप्लेन केला 20 दीस जायले अजून पासून कांयच हें जालें ना.
Bureau Report Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.